Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This video will help you to use past simple sentences with last. Last plus months, last plus years. This is for Elementary Certificate 1 English students. Use last with month, year and specific days. Some examples. Last June, last plus month. Last year, last Monday, a specific day, Monday. So here's a timeline to help us understand. This month with the green circle is August. Last month, 1 month back, last month. So this month, August, last month, July. Use with the past or finished time and first or last in your sentence. So here's an example. Last month, comma, I started a new job. Or I bought a new car last month. First or last in our sentence. Last plus year. Here's our timeline again. You can see this year, 2018 with the green circle. Last year we go back 1 year, 2017. So again with past or finished time and first or last in a sentence. Last year I got married, first in the sentence, or we bought our new house last year, last in the sentence. Use first or last. One sentence has a mistake. Find the mistake. So let's look. The first one is wrong. Where is our time word? We went last week? No. The second sentence is correct, is good. I watched a movie last week. Time is last. There's 2 more sentences. Find the mistake. The first sentence has the problem. Where is our time words? I last year? No, this is not good. Sentence 2 is good. We visited our friends in Sydney last year. Our time word is last in the sentence. 2 more for you. Find the problem. Sentence 2 has the problem. Where's the time? We last month? No. The first sentence is good. Where is the time? The time is first in the sentence. Practice using last with time, first or last in your sentence. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.